Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back. This video is for Princeton and Fayetteville. If you are not in Princeton and Fayetteville, there's another video for you. All right, Princeton and Fayetteville, we are in lesson 74 today. Let's do this. All right, we're going to make up an analogy that tells what you put in containers. What's the analogy going to tell? You ready? That's right, what you put in containers. Here are the containers you're going to use in the analogy. A suitcase and a glass. Which containers? Get ready. That's right, a suitcase and a glass. Name the first container. Get ready. That's right, a suitcase. Tell me what you put in that container. Get ready. That's right, clothes. So, what's the first part of the analogy? Get ready. That's right, a suitcase is to clothing. Now, name the second container. You ready? A glass. That's right. Tell me what you put in that container. Get ready. Very good. Water. Water. So, what's the second part of the analogy? Get ready. That is right. A glass is to water. Now, you're going to say the whole analogy. First, you're going to tell what you put in a suitcase. Then you're going to tell what you put in a glass. Say the analogy. Get ready. That's right. A suitcase is to clothing as a glass is to water. Again, say the analogy. Get ready. That's right. A suitcase is to clothing as a glass is to water. You made up an analogy that tells what you put in a suitcase and what you put in a glass. Great job, everyone. We're off to a great start. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yay! All right, I'm going to make up statements. Some of these statements are true and some are false. You tell me about each statement. An apartment building is not a vehicle. True or false? Get ready. True, right? Very good. Scissors can cut cloth. True or false? Get ready. True, right? Very good. The moon grows in the ground. True or false? Get ready. False, right? Great job. A pitcher is not used to rake leaves. True or false? Get ready. That is true. A pitcher is not used to rake leaves. Great job. Your turn. Make up a statement about scissors that is true. Very good. You could have said something like, scissors can cut paper, right? Great job. Everyone, that statement is, get ready. True. Great job. Your turn. Make up a statement about scissors that is false. Great job. You could have said something like, scissors can eat people, right? That statement is what, everyone? Get ready. False. Great job. Give yourself some student points because I know you had some great statements in that part. We're going to talk about today, tomorrow, and 1 week from today. Great. Tell me the day of the week it is today. Get ready. That's right. Wednesday. That's right. Tell me the day of the week. It will be tomorrow. Get ready. That's right. Thursday. Tell me the day of the week. It will be 1 week from today. Get ready. Wednesday. Great job. Now the dates. Tell me today's date. Get ready. That's right. Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Very good. Look at the calendar again. Tell me the date it will be 1 week from today. Get ready. That's right. Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Great job. Once more. Tell me today's date. Get ready. That's right. Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Very good. Tell me tomorrow's date. Get ready. That is right. Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Great job. Now, tell me the date. It will be 1 week from today. Get ready. That's right. It will be Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Very good. Give yourselves a big old round of applause and some major student points. Here's the first action game. Get ready. Everybody smile. Get ready. Good. Stop smiling. Now, tell me if I do the same thing you did or something different. Watch me. Did I do the same thing or something different? Get ready. That's right, the same thing. Watch me. Did I do the same thing or something different? Get ready. That's right, something different that time. Watch me. Did I do the same thing or something different? Get ready. Something different. Here's the next action game. Get ready. Everyone touch both your ears. Get ready. Great job. Stop touching your ears. Now, tell me if I do the same thing or something different. Watch me. Did I do the same thing or something different? Get ready. That's right, something different. Watch me. Did I do the same thing or something different? Get ready. Something different. Now, watch me. Did I do the same thing or something different? Get ready. The same thing, finally, right? Great job. All right, give yourselves a high five and a round of applause. Everyone, I'm gonna call on, no, I'm not gonna call on individual children, but I do want you to name things we can do with a pencil. So name some things, think of some things, name some things we can do with a pencil. Very good. You could have said something like write with a pencil, right? What is one thing we can do with a pencil? Write with the pencil, right? Very good. Let's all say the whole thing. Get ready. That's right. You can write with a pencil. What's another thing we can do with a pencil? Great job. You could have said something like, we can draw with a pencil. Very good. All right. Let's all name those things we can do with a pencil. What is the first thing? Get ready. That's right. We can write with the pencil. Very good. What's the second thing? Get ready. Great job. We can draw with the pencil. All right. Now, what's another thing we can do with the pencil? You could have said something like, we can break a pencil. Let's all say all those things that we can do with a pencil. What's the first thing? Get ready. That's right, we can write with a pencil. What's the second thing? Get ready. Very good. We can draw with the pencil. What's the third thing? Get ready. We can break a pencil. Oh no. All right, now I'm gonna call on individual children to name things we cannot do with the pencil. I'm not gonna call on you, but I do want you to think of it. Name some things we cannot do with the pencil. What is one thing we cannot do with a pencil? Get ready. Very good. You could have said something like, we cannot eat a pencil, right? Very good. What? I'm sorry, let's all say this, the whole thing. Get ready. Exactly. We cannot eat a pencil. What's another thing we cannot do with a pencil? Get ready. Great. You could have said something like, we cannot flush a pencil, right? Very good. Let's all name those things we cannot do with a pencil. What's the first thing? Get ready. Exactly. We cannot eat a pencil. Great job. What's the second thing? Get ready. We cannot flush a pencil. Great job. Let's see. We have to think of another thing that we cannot do with a pencil. All right. You could have said something like, we cannot watch a movie on a pencil, right? Let's all name those things we cannot do with a pencil. What's the first thing? Get ready. Great job. We cannot eat a pencil. Great job. What's the second thing? Get ready. Absolutely. We cannot flush a pencil. Great job. What is the third thing? Get ready. Great job. We cannot watch a movie on a pencil. Give yourselves a round of applause. Excuse me. Listen to this story. A girl is playing baseball in the park. Her team won the game because she hit a home run. After the game was over, her team yelled, "Hooray!" Listen again. A girl is playing baseball in the park. Her team won the game because she hit a home run. After the game was over, her team yelled, "Hooray!" Who hit the home run? Get ready. Great job, the girl. Where was she playing ball? Get ready. Absolutely, in the park. Why did her team win the game? Get ready. Because she hit a home run. What did the girl do to win the game? Get ready. She hit a home run. When did her team yell, "Hooray"? Get ready. That's right, after the game was over. Great job, guys. Now we are in our workbook or your packets. Get your packet out, and you should be on this page right here. Don't pay attention to my book. You should be on this page right here. All right. I hope your name is at the top of the page. We're going to make up sentences. The words that you'll use are in the boxes at the top of the page. All the boxes except one have a picture. Everyone, touch the first box. Get ready. Who is that? Get ready. Yes, that's a picture of a rat. Touch the next box. Get ready. What is that? Get ready. A bed. Very good. Touch the next box. Get ready. Who is that? Get ready. Roger. Touch the next box. Get ready. Who is that? Get ready. Clarabelle. Touch the next box. Get ready. What is that? Get ready. A chair. Touch the next box. Get ready. What is that? Get ready. A swing. Touch the next box. Get ready. Who is that? Get ready. Bleep. That is right. Touch the last box. Get ready. That box just has 2 words. I'll tell you those words. Sat on. What words? Get ready. Sat on. Very good. That's what the characters did in pictures 1 and 2. There is no picture for 3. I guess you'll have to make a picture for 3 when you're all done. Everyone touch picture 1 by the top arrow. Who is in that picture? Get ready. That's right, Roger. Everyone say a sentence that tells what Roger did in picture 1. Get ready. That's right. Roger sat on a chair. Your turn. Write the first sentence. Remember, Roger's name starts with a capital R. Write your sentence on arrow 1. Now you're going to make up a sentence for picture 2. Everyone, who is in that picture? Get ready. Clarabelle. Everyone, say a sentence that tells what Clarabelle did in picture 2. Get ready. That's right, Clarabelle sat on a bed. Your turn. Write the sentence for picture 2. There is no picture 3, so here's what you'll do. First, you'll make up a sentence that tells what the picture will show. You can write a sentence that uses any of the characters in the boxes, but don't write a sentence we've already done. Write your sentence. Later, you'll have to draw a picture for sentence 3. Remember, your picture will show what your sentence says. What will your picture show? Exactly what your sentence says. Great job. All right, now we are on the next page. Find the page that looks like this. Great job. All right, we're on the first half. Touch the picture that shows only one kind of thing. Get ready. What kind of thing is that in the picture? Get ready. That's right, tires. Touch the picture that shows more than one kind of thing. Get ready. Raise your hand if you can figure out the name of the class shown in that picture. Get ready. Everyone, what's the name of that class? Get ready. That's right, things made of rubber. Everyone, circle the picture that shows more kinds of things. Get ready. Everyone, touch the picture that shows one kind of thing. Get ready. The tires in that picture should be black. What color? Get ready. Yes, black. Mark a tire in that picture. Get ready. Touch the picture that shows more kinds of things. Get ready. The tires in that picture should be black and blue. What colors? Get ready. That's right, black and blue. Mark a tire in that picture. Get ready. Great job. Now we're on the second half. Second half, same page, just the second half. This one right here. All right, here is a coloring rule for the picture. If an object is made of leather, color it purple or blue. What's the rule? Get ready. That's right. If an object is made of leather, color it purple or blue. Mark the objects made of leather. Get ready. Here's another coloring rule for this picture. If an object is made of wood, color it yellow or red. What's the rule? Get ready. That's right. If an object is made of wood, color it yellow or red. Mark the objects made of wood. Get ready. Here's one more thing to do. Part of the boat is missing. What part is missing? Get ready. The hull, right? The hull. Before you color the boat, follow the dots and make the hull. All righty, guys, we have finished another week of distance learning and you are rocking it. Great job. I'll see you next week. Bye.